We're making guacamole today in San Miguel de Allende. We're here on Christmas break and it was just so beautiful. It's a historic Spanish colonial town with amazing architecture, and it's particularly known for its art scene here. But the food, the Central Market has so much on offer. There are vendors everywhere. Produce is super fresh, great prices. So I'm just making a simple guacamole for us now. We're gonna use this molcajete, and it just gets the best texture. This time I'm making it very simple. I'm only gonna use onion, salt, lime juice, and the avocados. I didn't buy any cilantro today or extra garlic. The most effective way is by taking out the pits, scoring the flesh, and then scooping it out with this spoon. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a mash. The onion is down there at the bottom like you saw before. Get some texture on it. Smash some of that onion flavor into the guacamole. So what about you guys? Do you like to get hotels when you travel, or do you like to rent Airbnbs? Our family prefers Airbnbs because we can cook and we can enjoy wherever we are more like as if we lived there. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Probably gonna have to add a bunch of salt. Make the guacamole pretty limey. It also keeps it pretty green when you have a lot of lime juice in it. That's looking so good. These chips are really fresh, but they're not really salted, so that'll give me a good idea of the flavor. That's perfect.